function. Quickly I'm going to that example of the creating of something like some example. So here I'm taking that one example how to creating and conducting of expanding the matrix. The most is like here I'm taking that even a single number is stored of the matrix. For example, if a variable is containing the value of 100 stored by one, the matrix is a double. So here I took that A is a matrix, then who is here, like maybe is 100 is a number of that. So here I'm going to constructing of the matrix data. The data I'm like, so first of all I want to run this stage. So this is my matrix, and the name of the size of this matrix, it is there. This is a one by one. Like if now next level, I'm going to constructing of the matrix in data. So A is equal to 12, 62, 93, and minus is a random the shape of the numbers I'm finding. Then I want to like size of this maybe shape of often different of the raw vector. So I am giving the command a subject is equal to size of like again my matrix is a A. So here I'm going to shape of this size. So I'm running this particular section. So now next, like here I'm going to giving that my size of complete shape, and next level I'm going to now create the matrix with the same numbers, but arrange them in the two rows within the two columns. So here is again same. I'm taking same matrix 12, 62 or 93 is minus 8. So here are two rows that again I'm going to size of that A. So here I'm going to run. So here is a 2 by 2, two rows and column. The size of is a 2 by 2. Then again, especially of the matrix function that is A is equal to 0, 3.2, and B is equal to 1, 2.4. So I'm creating the two zeros and the B is equal to 1. These two zeros and function, as I told, like in that function where we can took that here. So if I want to zeros, so this is a function here I'm using that maybe if I want how many ones 0, or maybe if you want to function any number, or maybe if you want any size, or maybe if you want to find out that create of array all cells, it is one same function here I'm using. Here is if I want to be like A is equal to 3 comma 2 zeros and B is equal to 1 2 comma 4, same thing. Here I'm going to represent here it's a 2 by 2, like this is a matrix all 0, 3 by 2, like, and B is equal to 2 by 2, like all is ones. So whenever we needs one, yeah, you can use this syntax, and whenever you need like is a 3 by 2 zeros, so this is a zeros and ones, you can reshare that things. Like whenever the diagonal function is using same thing as I told here, it is a creating of the diagonal of matrix of that here. So if you want elements of matrix, this is the syntax we are using. In similarly, we can use here. I want to a matrix is a 1 by 4, that is a 12, 62, 93 minus 8, and I want to be the diagonal. So similarly, I can run this section here. So this is my total EV is equal to 4 by 4. That's a 12 diagonal, total 12, 62, 93 minus 8. Rest of the things all are is a 0. So why? Because I'm giving this syntax. So next one is a connecting and matrices. So here A is equal to my condition is ones, that is a 1 comma 4, and B is equal to zeros, so that is a 1 comma 4 again, and C is equal to A comma B. So C is equal to A comma B. So here is the same ones where we can apply 1 comma 4, and zeros is 1 comma 4. So when I'm running this condition, yeah, C is equal to 1 comma 4, this all are ones, and rest of the things 0 or 1 comma 4. B is, C is equal to rest of the things is 0. Like if you want to see here view variable, this is the one, rest of the things 0 0 0, it is there.